What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Patrick here. Moving on to the next example. We have to convert each of these percentages here to a decimal, and then we got to take these decimals here, convert them to a percentage. So when we're converting a percent to a decimal, what do we have to do with it? Well, we have to divide it by 100. And then when we're converting a decimal to a percent, we got to multiply it by 100. So if we take 43 divided by 100, we would get 0.43. If we take 206% divided by 100, we would get 2.06. 67.5 divided by 100 would give us 0.675. Now over here we have 37 2/3%. So what we can do with this is rewrite this as 37.666, and then let's round it to 4 decimal places, 7. The 6's keep going, but I'm going to round it to 4. And then same thing, we just take this divided by 100. So don't get confused if you see fractions within percentages. I recommend turning them into decimals and then turning the fractions within the percentage to decimals, and then taking that entire percentage and then converting it to decimals. So dividing this by 100, we would get 0.3766667. So that's the answer for, or the answers for part A. And then over here, decimals to percents, just multiply these by 100. So this one would be 51%. This one here would be 1,028%. This one would be 1.24%. We're just basically taking this decimal and moving it over twice. 1, 2, 0.25%. Or another way this could be shown, maybe this is a multiple choice test, 1/4%. Right, so you could have fractions within the percentage notation. Right, so converting a percent to a decimal, you're dividing by 100. Converting a decimal to a percent, you are multiplying by 100.